Jamaica national minimum wage set to increase to 13,000 per week from June the 1st. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaica's national minimum wage is set to be increased by 44% from $9,000 to $13,000 per 40-hour work week effective June the 1st. The announcement was made by the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, as he wrapped up his more than 5-hour-long budget presentation at Gordon House on Thursday.
We are pleased to announce that starting June 1, 2023, the national minimum wage will increase from $9,000 per 40-hour week to $13,000 per 40-hour week. This represents a 44% increase. The minimum wage for industrial security guards will move from $10,500 per week to $14,000 per week. Our government has done more than any previous government to create prosperity for Jamaica and Jamaicans. And we are proud to share the gains with all Jamaicans.
The Prime Minister of Jamaica also announced that the national minimum wage for industrial security guards will increase from $10,500 per week to $14,000 per week. This will also be effective June the 1st. The Prime Minister explained that the differential between the national minimum wage and the minimum wage payable to security guard has narrowed because security guards are now classified as workers following a court ruling last year. Honey said that the next time an increase in the national minimum wage is announced, there will be no differential between the two groups. According to the Prime Minister, the government was strategic in its decision not to impose new taxes in the $1 trillion budget it has presented in order not to erode the income of Jamaicans. The Prime Minister said he recognized that the contribution of minimum wage earners such as household workers, laborers, store clerks, and security personnel is vital to the success of our manufacturers, hotel professionals, lawyers, doctors, and teachers in meeting our national productivity and the service target. He also boasted that since assuming office in 2016, the Jamaica Labour Party government has increased the minimum wage from $6,200 per week to $13,000, or 110% increase over their 7-year period. He noted that the cumulative inflation over the period was less than 50%, and even in US dollars is represented a 66% increase in the minimum wage. Holness also boasted that the government has done more than any previous government to create prosperity for Jamaica and Jamaicans. The national minimum wage was last increased in April 2022. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.